Okay, it's been a day or two since we've done one of these videos, and you know what day it is, right? We got a lot of making up to do because it's been a while. So we got a special treat today. We are actually going to make you a juicy fruit. You probably never heard of this drink before, and guess what? Neither have I. So this is like the first time we're doing this. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. But you know what? That's what it's all about, right? Experimenting. So first thing I'm going to do is get some limeade from your store. This happened to be from the Heap. So my people from Texas know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm sure they sell it in other grocery stores as well. All right. Don't need that anymore. That's pretty much gone. We're going to take some tequila. You know what? Dig that back out the garbage. I'm not through with that yet. I'm going to do about a half can of this. I'm just kidding. It wasn't really in the garbage. All right. And then we get our little Chop-O-Matic. Where's the Chop-O-Matic? Oh, there's Chop-O-Matic. This is awesome. Chop-O-Matic's got a malfunction. So let's put the Chop-O-Matic on here first. Does this even go? Yeah, there it goes. All right. All right. Nice color. All right, now once you do that, take this. Put that over there. And forget about it. All right, next thing we want to do is we're going to make a puree. Make a strawberry puree. So get your little other duplicate Chop-O-Matic. Frozen strawberries, okay? Frozen strawberries. You don't want to use fresh strawberries for this. Use frozen strawberries. Or if you have fresh strawberries, freeze them. And after they're frozen, dig them back out. That might be a little too much. There we go. All right. Then, from there, get some rum, okay? Put your rum in here. That's about enough. What do you think? Yeah, I think that'd be enough. We'll see. We'll see. If it's not enough, we'll add some more. Okay. Then we go to this little blender action. Oops. You know what I forgot to do? Well, I think that'll work. We're good. Okay. Next, we need our blender again. There we go. Thank you. And we need some ice. That might be enough ice. Okay. It says use 4 ounces of this. You know what? Maybe I will measure this. Remember in one of my other videos, I used a little too much of that, and it looks like I'm there again. Did you remember that this is liquid in here? Janet forgot to tell me. All right, so you know what? Let's go with it. No, you know what? It ain't gonna fit. I know it's not gonna fit. It didn't fit before. Why is it gonna fit now? Let's use about a half a cup. Half a cup of that. That don't look like enough. Use another half cup. What the heck? No guts, no glory. All right, half a cup of that. Let's use a cup of coconut rum. Okay. I know this is taking a little while to do, but I'm telling you, it's well worth the wait, okay? It's well worth the patience. You're gonna love this at the end. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's good. That's all good. Have we put rum in there yet? I think we did. We gotta put pineapple in there. That's the next important ingredient, is a pineapple. Some of you may see this, say, yeah, it kind of looks like a pina colada. And you're right. It is pretty close to pina colada. I think we're gonna add a little more ice, a little more liquid, right? Or it's a little liquidy, I should say. Kind of like that first batch of stuff we made back there. All right, put that on there. And let's get our broken blender thing again. There it is. Oh, see, that's not all the way down. That would have been a disaster. Is that even the right piece? Maybe. All right, we'll find out here in a second.
Too much ice.
I know it's not closed. I know you guys can see that in the back. That's what makes it so fun. Is when all this stuff goes flying out. All right, that might be flying out a little too much. All right, let's take a little bit out.
No, it might fit now.
Okay. Improvise, adapt, overcome. There we go. We're rocking. Closer to the plug. Get me more outside! I love it. I love it. Nice. Okay, anyway, I promise you, just because it came out the top of here, it's not going to make it taste any different, okay? It's still going to taste great. Next thing you got to do, you get your hurricane glasses out. Because you know how Janet is. She likes to be proper. This wouldn't be a proper drink unless you have a hurricane glass. We're going to take the strawberry puree. And we are going to pour this in the bottom. Ooh, nice. You're too much. Okay, put that in the bottom. Then from there, we're going to put the... Wow, this really needs a little more ice in there. I'm telling you. It's all good. It's a little liquidy. Good thing about it being liquidy, it goes down smooth. Not going to get stuck in the straw. This is looking real similar to another drink that I have made on this video, which is one of my favorites. Right? Kind of like a lava flow. But then we have a top secret weapon. Remember the beginning of the video? I made some of this. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it on top of this. I'm gonna put it on top of this.
You're gonna put lime On top of pina colada?
Yep. Because
you put the lime in the coconut, drink it all up. You put the lime in the coconut, drink it all up. I said, doctor, is there nothing I can take? I said, doctor, to relieve this bellyache, you put the lime in the coconut, drink it all up. You put the lime in the coconut, call me in the morning.
straws, and you have a juicy fruit. Happy Friday.